All right, so this will be a very short video, but it was too good not to mention. Okay, so I know a lot of you probably don't know who John Watts is. Some of you may call him John Watson, or the scammer refers to him as John Watson. But he is an Alabama consumer protection lawyer and a personal injury attorney in Alabama. So I just want to point out how, if you're going to be this so-called expert for 13 years, you should at least know the names of these attorneys. It's John Watts, not John Watson. And also, when you talk about Lexington law and dog them, why would you then say you learned from the founder of Lexington law, which in my opinion and 99% of the world's opinion is the worst credit repair company there is when it comes to getting results? So you praise that you learned from the founder, but then you dog them because it's your competition. But y'all just watch this quick video.
So John Watson of the Alabama Consumer Lawyer Association or whatever, he's even more so than John Watson or any. To let you guys know, I was mentored by the original founder of Lexington law firm and mentored by former attorney of former President John F. Kennedy. His name is Austin William Cooper.